Hey, kia ora whānau. Hey, this is Rewai here, Rewai Te Kahu from Kaitaki Manakai. I just want to firstly say to all my subscribers, this is awesome. Thanks for tuning in and clicking the likes and doing the thumbs up and making comments. I really appreciate it. You must be a bit like me. Love gardening, love growing our own kai, and look at this. Here's a banana. Got given some bananas that were hanging, and here's some growing some bananas. So if you like bananas, if you like germinating your seeds, if you like growing kumara, tomatoes, potatoes, this is the community that you're a part of. You know, even if your just algorithms have made you see my page and what we're doing here, that means that we're of very similar spirits. We're wanting to encourage people, we're wanting to see the good and all that's going on as opposed to all the negative that's out there. We want to bring unity around food security and sustainability. And the joy of eating something that you've produced. May take a little time, may take a little work, but man, eating kai, that's different from the shops, the processed food, the sprayed food. Yeah, you're part of this community, and so welcome. It's great to have you with us. Share it with others, and yeah, I wonder how many I can get of people who like to have kai freshly grown in your backyard garden. The other thing that we're about is I'm a man of faith. I believe that God has given us life and life in its fullness through the person of Jesus Christ. And one of the things that we're trying to do as well is to demonstrate ways of living and being, whether it's in community, as you'll see, or whether it's looking after the environment, as you'll see as well. And again, this is just another way of giving expression to that and encouraging the hope that we find in Christ Jesus with each other. If this is you, if this is what you're about, please join and carry on with that and being in our community. Make comments, share it around. We want to kind of create a movement of people that are loving the world despite what's going on, are loving each other despite the hatred that's out there, and loving our gardens, building health and well-being, building our families up, encouraging health and well-being in our homes and our families as well. Nō reire, mihi atu kia koutou e mātakitaki ana, ko Rewai Te Kahu tēnei no kei kaikoe toku kāinga e nai nei, no kahunguru ahau, ki Wairua, ko tēnei te whare o māua ko Josie, o mātou ko Josie, rawa ko Joshua. Nō reira, mihi mahana kia koutou i tēnei wā. Welcome to our community. It's great to have you with us. And if you're ever up this way and you want to help me out with my worms or help me out with composting or doing some work on the garden, which we did today out on our papakainga, just give us a buzz, and we'd love to have you with us and just share our stories together. Nō reira, mihi atu kia koutou, tēnā koutou, kia ora mai tātou.